In the last exercise of this chapter, you will combine a scatter plot of chicken locations with the polygons showing service districts in order to understand where the chickens are with respect to service district boundaries. In this first chapter, you've learned how longitude and latitude can be used to help visualize geospatial data. You've gotten a taste of wrangling longitude and latitude from a field where they are embedded. You've mastered plotting points as a scatterplot, using longitude as X and latitude as Y. You've learned some ways that you can style scatterplots using color and marker shape, and you've learned how to add axis labels in a title. You've also learned how to plot polygons from a shapefile and create a legend to tell more about each region. Next, you'll learn how to combine a plot of points with a plot of polygons. Maps are created from visual layers, with each layer adding reference points and other cues that enhance the ability to get meaning from the map. Here we have a scatter plot of all Nashville public school locations on the left and a plot of school districts on the right. We can combine these plots to get more contextual meaning from the locations of schools with regard to school districts. First, plot the districts to create a map of polygons. Next, add a scatter plot to add points that show where the schools are. Adding the scatter plot after plotting the shapes enriches the plot and gives more insight into where schools are in regard to school districts. Now it's time for you to create your first geospatial visualization with 2 layers by plotting a polygon map of service districts and then adding a scatter plot to see where the chickens are.